The Miami International Autodrome, one of the newest additions to the Formula One calendar, burst onto the scene in 2022, promising a glamorous and thrilling race through the streets of Miami Gardens. Designed by Herman Tilke's company, with his son Carsten Tilke playing a key role in the layout, the circuit was created specifically to bring Formula One to the most high-profile markets in the world, the United States. But did it live up to the hype? The road to a Formula One race in Miami was really not easy. Initial plans proposed a downtown Miami street circuit featuring iconic cityscapes and waterfront views. However, strong opposition from local residents and officials forced organisers to find an alternative location. The solution? A temporary circuit was to be built round the Hard Rock Stadium, home of the Miami Dolphins. With no natural elevation and limited space, the designers had to create a track that could deliver exciting racing whilst maintaining Miami's signature spectacle. The result was a 5.41 kilometre, 3.36 mile circuit featuring 19 corners, long straights, and a mixture of high-speed sections and tight slow areas. Despite being a new track, Miami has already seen some notable moments in its short history. The first Miami Grand Prix in 2022 had all the Hollywood-style production you'd expect. Celebrities, yachts in a fake marina, who can forget that one, and a Super Bowl-like atmosphere. On track, however, the racing was less thrilling than hoped. Max Verstappen took victory after a battle with Charles Leclerc, but overtaking was difficult, with DRS trains forming behind midfield cars. The second edition in 2023 saw an improvement to the track surface, but criticism remained about the overtaking difficulty in certain areas. Whilst Verstappen again dominated, Miami struggled to deliver a truly classic race, with some questioning whether the circuit itself was designed more for the show than real racing. Despite its ambition, the Miami International Autodrome has faced several key criticisms. The tight and twisty section for turns 14 to 16. A slow and awkward chicane in the middle of the lap, placed due to space restrictions, disrupts the flow of the circuit. Many drivers have criticised this section for being just too tight for modern F1 cars. The artificial elements. The circuit's fake marina became an internet meme as fans mocked the attempt to recreate Monaco's glamour with boats sitting on a painted water surface. While Miami sells itself as an entertainment event, some purists argue that the track should come first and the spectacle needs to be second. And there's limited overtaking too. While the track has long straights and DRS zones, the high-speed corners make it specifically difficult to follow other cars, leading to predictable races where strategy often plays a bigger role than the on-track action. Miami was designed to be a festival of speed, combining the glitz of F1 with the party atmosphere of South Florida. And in that sense, it really has succeeded. But as a pure racing venue, it still has a long way to go before it can be considered a truly great circuit. As we head into the 2025 Miami Grand Prix, the big question remains: will the circuit evolve into an F1 staple, or will it remain more of a show than a serious race? Share your thoughts with us down in the comments. But first this. Modern Formula One is all about glamour, speed and cutting-edge technology. But have you ever wondered about circuits that have once shaped the sports and its history? At circuitsofthepast.com we take you beyond the tracks of today into the forgotten world and classic and lost race circuits of the past. Places where legends were made, but time stood still. Our passion lies in motorsport heritage and history, and urban exploring, uncovering the remains of abandoned racetracks that were once battlegrounds of motorsport's greatest heroes. From the legendary banked curves of Monza's old oval to the eerie silence of Nürburgring's Südschleife, we bring you these forgotten venues back to life. If you'd like to start your own journey into motorsport's past, download the free ebook about 7 abandoned racetracks that you can still visit legally. You should also like the video, please, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can keep up with the history of motorsport and make sure it stays well and truly alive. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.